think this is...
Are we trying?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
How the fuck do you do it? How do you do it again? That's recording. Holy Jesus, dude. That was amazing. Oh, that one's so... Oh, stuck in my belly. You're the belly.
You should be that dude on Booger on the Nerds. You know who's like, oh.
What?
Have you ever heard Revenge of the Nerds? Seen the movie? Now go show your dad.
These girls are fucking psycho. Hold on. I bet that's mine.
I can do it.
I can't do it either. I want to try so bad, but I don't know. I can't.
If I try
Holy shit!